Below we will provide a detailed overview of the performance, dimensions, and features of each motorcycle, helping riders make decisions based on their preferences and riding needs. Honda Rebel 1100. The Honda Rebel 1100 is a cruiser motorcycle that combines classic styling with modern performance. It features a powerful 1,084 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, comfortable ergonomics, and advanced electronics such as ride modes, traction control, and ABS. With its relaxed riding position and smooth power delivery, it's suitable for both urban commuting and long-distance cruising. Honda Rebel 1100 specification. Engine, 1,084 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin. Power, around 86 horsepower. Torque, around 98 Newton-meters. Transmission, 6-speed manual or DCT, dual-clutch transmission. Frame, steel diamond. Suspension, Showa telescopic front fork, Showa twin rear shocks. Brakes, dual front disc brakes, single rear disc brake with ABS. Weight, around 487 pounds, 221 kilograms a curb weight. Fuel capacity, 13.6 liters. Seat height, 27.5 inches, 699 millimeters. Wheelbase, 59.8 inches at 1,520 millimeters. Triumph Rocket 3R. The Triumph Rocket 3R is a beast of a motorcycle, boasting the world's largest production motorcycle engine with a massive 2,500 cubic centimeters inline 3. It delivers immense torque and power, making it a powerhouse on the road. Despite its muscular appearance, it offers a comfortable riding experience with advanced electronics and premium components. Triumph Rocket 3R specification. Engine, 2,458 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline 3. Power, around 167 horsepower. Torque, around 221 Newton-meters. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Frame, aluminum. Suspension, Showa adjustable front forks, Showa piggyback rear shocks. Brakes, dual front disc brakes, single rear disc brake with cornering ABS. Weight, around 648 pounds, 294 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 18 liters. Seat height, 30.1 inches, 773 millimeters. Wheelbase, 66 inches, 1,677 millimeters. Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. The Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 is a new addition to Royal Enfield's lineup, featuring a modern interpretation of classic cruiser styling. It's powered by a 648 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, offering a balance of performance and refinement. With its laid-back riding position and retro design cues, it appeals to riders looking for a timeless cruiser experience. Royal Enfield Shotgun 650 specification. Engine, 648 cubic centimeters air oil-cooled parallel twin. Power, around 47 horsepower. Torque, around 52 Newton-meters. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Frame, steel double cradle. Suspension, telescopic front fork, twin shock absorbers with piggyback reservoirs. Brakes, dual front disc brakes, single rear disc brake with ABS. Weight, around 437 pounds, 198 kilograms a curb weight. Fuel capacity, 13.7 liters. Seat height, 31.2 inches, 793 millimeters. Wheelbase, 56 inches, 1,422 millimeters. MOTO GUZZI V7 Stone. The MOTO GUZZI V7 Stone is a classic Italian motorcycle with a minimalist and timeless design. It's powered by a 744 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, delivering smooth power and a distinctive exhaust note. With its lightweight chassis and agile handling, it's a joy to ride on both city streets and winding roads. MOTO GUZZI V7 stone specification. Engine, 744 cubic centimeters air-cooled transverse V-twin. Power, around 52 horsepower. Torque, around 60 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Frame, steel twin-tube cradle. Suspension, telescopic front fork, twin shock absorbers. Brakes, single front disc brake, single rear disc brake with ABS. Weight, around 417 pounds, 189 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 21 liters. Seat height, 30.7 inches, 780 millimeters. Wheelbase, 57.1 inches, 1,450 millimeters. Triumph Bonneville T120. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is an iconic modern classic motorcycle inspired by the legendary Bonneville models of the past. It features a 1,200 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, classic styling, and modern technology such as ride-by-wire throttle, ABS, and traction control. With its timeless design and refined performance, it's a popular choice among retro motorcycle enthusiasts. Triumph Bonneville T120 specification. Engine, 1,200 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin. Power, around 79 horsepower. Torque, around 105 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Frame, steel tubular twin cradle. Suspension, KYB front forks, twin shocks with adjustable preload. Brakes, twin front disc brakes, single rear disc brake with ABS. Weight, around 494 pounds, 224 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 14.5 liters. Seat height, 31.1 inches, 790 millimeters. Wheelbase, 57.1 inches, 1,450 millimeters. BMW R20. The BMW R20 is a retro-styled motorcycle that pays homage to BMW's heritage. It features a classic design reminiscent of BMW's iconic R-Series motorcycles, combined with modern engineering and technology. While details about a specific R20 model may vary, it typically offers a comfortable riding experience and a distinct retro aesthetic. Engine type, air-cooled boxer engine likely based on the R18. Displacement, around 2,000 cubic centimeters. Horsepower, expected to be over 100 horsepower. Torque, expected to be over 160 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed gearbox. Suspension likely fully adjustable Öhlins forks. Brakes, twin discs with 6-piston calipers. Rear, single disc with 4-piston caliper. Wheels, 17-inch wire spoke wheel. Rear, 17-inch cast wheel. Frame, double-loop steel frame. Royal Enfield Hunter 350. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is another new addition to Royal Enfield's lineup, featuring a modern take on the classic scrambler style. It's powered by a 349 cubic centimeter single-cylinder engine, offering a balance of performance and agility. With its rugged design and versatile capabilities, it's suited for both on-road and light off-road adventures. Royal Enfield Hunter 350 specification. Engine, 349 cubic centimeters air oil-cooled single-cylinder. Power, expected around 20 to 25 horsepower, estimated. Torque, expected around 25 to 30 Newton meters, estimated. Transmission, expected 5-speed manual. Frame, expected steel double cradle. Suspension, expected telescopic front fork, twin shock absorbers. Brakes, expected disc brakes with ABS. Weight, expected around 350 to 380 pounds, estimated. Fuel capacity, expected around 2.5 to 3 gallons, estimated. Seat height, expected around 29 to 31 inches, estimated. Wheelbase, expected around 55 to 57 inches, estimated. Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 is a smaller displacement cruiser motorcycle that shares the same styling cues as its larger sibling, the Rebel 1100. It's powered by a 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, offering a nimble and efficient ride. With its compact size, comfortable ergonomics, and accessible performance, it's a popular choice for new riders and urban commuters. Honda Rebel 500 specification: engine, 471 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin. Power, around 45 horsepower. Torque, around 44 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Frame, steel diamond. Suspension, telescopic front fork, twin shock absorbers. Brakes, single front disc brake, single rear disc brake with ABS. Weight, around 408 pounds, 185 kilograms a curb weight. Fuel capacity, 11 liters. Seat height, 27.2 inches, 691 millimeters. Wheelbase, 58.7 inches, 1,491 millimeters. Indian Scout 60. The Indian Scout 60 is a mid-size cruiser motorcycle with classic American styling and modern performance. It's powered by a 999 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, delivering a balance of power and agility. With its low seat height, lightweight chassis, and responsive handling, it's easy to maneuver in various riding conditions. Indian Scout 60 specification: engine, 999 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin. Power, around 78 horsepower. Torque, around 88 Newton meters. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Frame, aluminum. Suspension, telescopic front fork, dual shock absorbers. Brakes, single front disc brake, single rear disc brake with ABS. Weight, around 538 pounds, 244 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 12.5 liters. Seat height, 25.3 inches, 643 millimeters. Wheelbase, 61.5 inches, 1,562 millimeters. Kawasaki Vulcan S. The Kawasaki Vulcan S is a unique cruiser motorcycle known for its adjustable ergonomics, allowing riders to customize the bike to their preferred riding position. It's powered by a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, offering smooth power delivery and nimble handling. With its modern design and practical features, it's a versatile choice for riders of all experience levels. Kawasaki Vulcan S specification: engine, 649 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin. Power, around 61 horsepower. Torque, around 63 Newton meters. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Frame, steel perimeter. Suspension, telescopic front fork, offset laydown rear shock. Brakes, single front disc brake, single rear disc brake with ABS. Weight, around 498 pounds, 226 kilograms. Fuel capacity, 14 liters. Seat height, 27.8 inches, 705 millimeters. Wheelbase, 62 inches, 1,575 millimeters.